Hi students, let us go through the next method. Method of elimination by equating the coefficient. I will be explaining it through an example. Okay, consider two equations, 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and 5x minus 3y is equal to 24. Now let's have a look into it. How do we use this method of elimination by equating coefficient? In this method, we have to either make the coefficient of x equal or coefficient of y is equal in both the equation. To do that, we have to multiply the equation 1 and equation 2 with some number so that the coefficient of x and or y remains the same in both the equation. Okay. Now in this problem, I will try to make the coefficient of x equal in both the equations. Let us see. Here you have 3x and here you have 5x. So if I multiply the first equation into 5, I get 15x minus 20y equals to 50, and equation 2 also I need to make it equal to this 15, so I need to multiply it with 3. Equation 2 into 3 gives you 15x minus 9y equals to 72. Now we have got two equations. So you have seen that the coefficient of x is equal in both. Now we are in this method, we will try to equate the coefficient, then either add or subtract the equation so that one of the variable get eliminated and the other remains and we get the value of that. So let us see, you have 15x and plus 15x here. So you need to subtract equation 1 minus 2 you need to do. So what do you get? Minus, this minus becomes plus and this becomes minus. So 15x minus 15x, that's getting cancelled. You will get minus 20y plus 9y gives you minus 11y, that is equal to 50 minus 72, that gives you minus 22. So y equals to minus 22 by minus 11, that gives you 2. Now you have to substitute the value of y in either of the equation. So what do you get here? 3x minus 4 into 2 equals to 10. 3x minus 8 equals to 10. 3x equals to 18. X equals to 18 by 3, that is equal to 6. So the value of x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 2. And once again I will explain this problem. So in this method you will have two equations and you have to either make the coefficient of x equal or y equal. In order to do that, we will be multiplying the equation 1 and take 2 with any of the terms. So in this case we have multiplied the first equation into 5 and the second equation into 3. So you got 15x and 15x. So we have to, in order to eliminate, we have to see whether we have to add or subtract the equation. Here we have subtracted the equation. So finally we got it as minus 11y equals to minus 22. We got the value of y. Similarly we found the value of x. Okay. Now let us start with exercise 6b. I will be doing few problems from this exercise. Let us do the first question. Question number 1. 13 plus 2y equals to 9x and 3y is equal to 7x. So let us make it in the standard form. In order to do that, I will rewrite this equation as 9x minus 2y equals to 13 as your first equation and 7x minus 3y equals to 0 is your second equation. I have just changed the places, that's all. So now you have 9x and 2y, 7x and 3y. in order to make the coefficients equal, we can either multiply this equation with 7 and this with 9, or in a simpler way we can multiply the first equation with 3. So you get it as 27x minus 6y equals to 39, and equation 2 into 2, that is equal to 14x minus 6y equals to 0. Okay. So in this case you have minus 6y and minus 6y. So you need to subtract the equation. So when you subtract the equations, what do you get? This becomes minus, this becomes minus into minus, plus and minus. So 27x minus 14x gives you 13x, minus 6y and plus 6y gets cancelled, that is equal to 39. So you get x equals to 39 by 13, that is equal to 3. Now similarly you have to substitute the value of x in either of the equation. So I am substituting in the first equation. So what do you get? 9 into 3 minus 2y equals to 13. So you get 9 into 3, that is 27, minus 13 equals to 2y. So we get y equals to 14 by 2, that is equal to 7. So we get x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 7. Just have a look at the problem. Next, let me explain the second question. 3x minus y equals to 23 and x by 3 plus y by 4 equals to 4. So the first equation is in standard form. Let us make the second equation also into the standard form. So cross multiplying it, you get 4x plus 3y by 12 equals to 4. Multiplying it, you get 4x plus 3y equals to 48. So this remains as a second equation. So let us see. Here in the first equation you have 3x and minus y. In the second equation you have 4x and 3y. So in order to make the y coefficient equal, you have to only multiply the first equation, that is first equation into 3. Let the second equation remain the same. So when you multiply the first equation into 3, what do you get? 9x minus 3y equals to 23 into 3, that is 69. Okay. So now you have plus 3y and minus 3y. In order to cancel it, you have to just add the first equation and the second equation. So adding them, what do you get here? 4 plus 9 gives you 13x. So plus 3y minus 3y, it's addition, so no change in the sign. So plus 3y and minus y, 3y is getting cancelled here, and you have 48 plus 69. What is 48 plus 69? You get it as 117. So you get x equals to 117 by 13. So that is equal to 9. So you got the x value as 9. Now let me substitute the x value in either of the equation. So we will substitute in the first equation. You get 3 into 9 minus y equals to 23. 27 minus 23 equals to y. Y equals to 4. So you get x equals to 9 and y equals to 4. Hope it's clear to you all. Let me explain the next question. 9th one. 13x plus 11y equals to 70 and 11x plus 13y equals to 74. In this equation, either you can multiply the first equation with 11 or 13. Similarly, the second. If you are multiplying the first equation with 11, you have to multiply the second equation by 13. And the other way. Because here the coefficients are like interchanged. The coefficient of x here is it for y, and the coefficient here for y is for the x. So now I am taking it as I am multiplying the first equation with 11 and I am multiplying the second equation with 13. Let's see. 13 into 11, you get 143x plus 121y equals to 770. 70 into 11. Second equation, 11 into 13. So again 143x plus 13 into 13, you get 169y equals to 74 into 13 gives you 962. So here all the signs are positive, so you are subtracting the equations 1 minus 2. Minus, minus, minus. Cancel them. 143x minus 143 is cancelled. Then 121 minus 169. So you get it as 48y minus 48y. That is equal to, here 962 minus 770, you will get it as 192. So you get as minus 192. Y equals to minus 192 by 48 minus 48 is equal to 4. So we got the value of y as 4. Let me substitute it into the first equation. So we get 13x plus 11 into 4 equals to 70. 13x plus 44 equals to 70. 13x equals to 70 minus 44, that is equal to 26. So you get x equals to 26 by 13, that is equal to 2. So you get x value is equal to 2 and y value is equal to 4. Let us go through the 11th question. If 2x plus y is equal to 23 and 4x minus y is equal to 19, find the value of x minus 3y and 5y minus 2x. So in this case, two equations are given. Okay. From this equation, you have to find the value of x and y. Then you need to substitute the values in this x minus 3y. You need to find the value of it. So let us take the equations first. So you have 2x plus y equals to 23. And 4x minus y equals to 19. So in this case, have a look at it. We do not have to multiply any number to the first equation and second equation because you have the y coefficients are equal. So let us directly add the equation. So if you do equation 1 plus 2, what do you get? 2x plus 4x is 6x plus y plus or minus y, that is y gets cancelled. 23 plus 19 gives you 42. X equals to 42 by 6, that is equal to 7. So you got the value of x. Now let us find the value of y. 2x plus y equals to 23. X is equal to 7. So 2 into 7 plus y equals to 23. So you get 14 plus y equals to 23. Y is equal to 23 minus 14, that is equal to 9. So you got x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 9. So it's not over. What you have to do next? Find the value of x minus 3y. So you have the value of x and y now. Substitute that in this. So you get x minus 3y. It's the first thing to find. X is 7 minus 3 into 9, that is 7 minus 27 equals to minus 20. Okay. Second one is 5y minus 2x. 5y, that is 5 into 9 minus 2 into 7. 5 9s are 45 and minus 14 equals to 31. Thank you, students.